today is Ate Mia's birthday. It's already 2nd of July. And umaga na guys, like 12 a.m. Pero I have to wrap her presents para pag gising niya bukas, ma-surprise siya. May pasok siya bukas sa school kasi Thursday tomorrow. Or mamaya na pala kasi morning na nga. So may pasok siya mamaya. Pagising niya sa umaga, isa-surprise ko siya. Meron na siyang regalo, ready na and everything. So I'm wrapping 2 present. Yung iba na wrap ko na. So ito na lang. Ito, tsaka yung roller skate. So yung iba nandun na sa bench. So let's wrap them. Parang kulang pa yung aking ano guys, pero okay lang yan. Kulang yung aking tawag dito, wrapper. So, yung plano kong gawin is isi-set up ko yung playroom. Doon ko siya ilalagay kasi para hindi niya makita pagbaba. Ito ko isi-set up sa side na to. So, ayun. I was cleaning the playroom kaya ito yung itsura. Tapos, nasa labas yung mga vacuum bag. So, dito ko ilalagay. Tapos, may banner na Happy Birthday, Mia. Sa taas ko ba ilagay? Kasi may pangalan na ni Mia dyan, guys, eh. Oh, yeah. Let's do this. So, ito na din yung balloon. Ayan. May balloons tayo dyan.
This is a good a day as any to start the rebuilding of life. The roads that lay open are many when the old one's gone under the knife. And I can feel the sun on my skin, beginning to thaw from within.
Palobat na kayo guys. Pero ayan, may 6 na tayo dyan. So, nilagay ko sa dyan. Parang mababa. Pero okay na siguro yan. So, ayan. So, nilagyan ko to yung mga teddy niya ng ganyan. Parang hindi bagay yung black na Hello Kitty dyan. Pero, ayan. Meron pa siya sa taas na isang Hello Kitty. Cute yun. Tapos, ilalagay ko yung regalo niya dyan. And then, ilalagay ko to sa taas. Yung problema, guys, wala tayong tawag dito. Pangdikit. Hindi ko alam sana yung scotch tape. But we'll find out.
This is a good a day as any to start the.
Good morning, people! Alang, ilong lukay. Morning, guys. Today is Mia's birthday. Di ko natapos yung vlog kagabi, nalubat yung camera ko. So, I'm just preparing Ate's lunch. Okay naman siya. So, papasok siya ngayon. I just wipe your nose. Feeling okay naman daw si ate. Gusto niya talaga pumasok today. Kasi nga gusto niya daw ipamigay yung mga boot bags niya sa classmates niya, sa friends niya. Sabi ko, sige, ikaw bahala. Okay. So, I will go with Mia sa classroom. I will drop Mia sa room talaga. You want kiwi? Ah? Yung ilok mo kay... Wipe the nose. Oh my goodness. Oops, oops, oops. Oops, oops, oops. Go down. Mahulog ikaw. Bakit may onion? Bakit kailangan onion? Ha? That's onion. Good morning. Morning. May onion na siya. Beautiful eyes. Ah! So cute. Alright, let's go. Yay! Okay pa din siya. So, ito pala yung ginawa natin kagabi. Hindi ko na tapos videohan. Nilagay ko sa table yung mga regalo niya. Yay! So, yung scooter hindi ko na nabalot kasi kulang yung wrapper. But, andyan lang siya sa likod. Tsaka yung helmet. Excited na to si ate. Oh! Oh, tignan niyo yung isa. Balloons! Hala, may bumaba na balloon. Ayun, oh. Okay, okay, let's surprise ate. Let's go. Come on, let's surprise. Ala! Saan po ito ilalagay na makikita talaga ni Mia? Ganyan. Okay, let's go. Let's go. Pagpasok ni ate, makikita niyo siya agad. Oh, let's go. Let's go. Si ate first. Si ate. Together, okay? Don't touch. No use. Stay there. I have a surprise for you. Sit down. Nauna na talaga si Kai. Happy birthday, Mia! Happy birthday, Mia! Happy birthday, dear ate! Happy birthday, Mia! Hip hip! Hey! Hip hip! Hooray!
What is Cat doing?
You like it? Hello, you like it?
I'm gonna get this confetti.
Yay!
Yay!
Okay, I'll take a picture of you before you change your clothes.
Wait, with this? Can I take a picture instead?
Okay, ready? Open! Oh! One more. Get the 6. Okay, ready? Go.
Get this?
Yeah. 1, 2, 3. Go. Yay! Okay, picture. Picture of her picture. Smile. Yay. Come on here. Wait, like this. Hold behind.
Wait.
Here, hold the 6. Here, like this. Hold the 6. And take a picture. 1, 2, 3.
Oh,
Smile,
my goodness.
baby, smile. Put your hair.
I can't believe I'm 6 years old.
You are 6 today. Are you happy? You're
Yeah,
6
I
now?
am older than my classmate.
Okay, you ready? 1, 2, 3. Face the 6 to me. It's not facing me. Okay, 1, 2, 3. Hold the thing. Yeah. Smile. Face it to you, close to you. 1, 2, 3. No, move here because I can't see your face. Yeah, like that. 1, 2, 3. Smile, baby. 1, 2, 3. Smile, babe. Smile. Face a little bit close here. Okay. Yeah. Kai, stand with ate. Stand with ate, baby. Stand with ate, take a picture. My goodness, your nose. Okay, hold. Okay, you smell here. Hold kay ate. Hold kay. Here, hold this. Here. Hold this. Hold. Yeah. Hold. Yeah. Okay. Ready? Mia, come here. Hold the 6. Hold the 6. 1, 2, 3. Smile. Cheese. Kai. Smile. Beautiful eyes. Mia, don't move.
Okay.
Kai, beautiful eyes. Kai. Oh, hold. Oh,
Beautiful eyes. Cheese.
beautiful eyes.
Cheese. Beautiful eyes.
Sissy. Smile na. Okay na. I think I got his picture anyway. Look at the mess! Ano to? Gusto na naglaruan yung ano. It's alright.
It's a play. I get to play with it. I can get a lot this time.
Yeah? Yay! Happy birthday, ate!
Kai! Hey, Kai! Kai!
Yay! Alright, let's go change now. Mommy, get your uniform. Good morning, guys! Pinatulog ko si Kai kanina pagdating ko. And natulog naman siya. So, magluto ako ng... Gusto ko mag-miguring for lunch. Miguring tayo, Kai. Gusto ko mag-miguring. So, yung ano sa playroom ni Mia, hindi ko pa nalinis. And gusto ko din mag-start put away yung mga stuff. I-sort out ko yung mga damit na hindi ko nasusuotin. Tapos, you know, ang dami, guys. Makita nyo lang, tingnan nyo. Ang daming vacuum bags. Ilang vacuum bags yung nandito. Tapos yung mga nakahanger ko na mga jackets, cardigan, yan, nandyan. Tapos dito pa sa hallway. Kasi hindi ko naman kaya ibenta kasi nga wala talaga tayong time. Oh, kukuha ka na naman ng tubig. Ah. So, ito to yung gagawin ko, oh. Yung mga dito. Ayan. Put away ko pa to. That's enough. Too much. Can I have a drink first? That's so much, baby. You don't need any more. Oh, drink. Hi. Go. Go in the playroom. What? Where's your gun? Ay, nako. Ito yung, lagi pag nakapasok siya sa kitchen, diretso agad siya sa water dispenser kasi kukuha siya ng water niya. Alright, so mag-boil lang ako ng water for my niguring. Alam niyo, hindi ko pa na-try yung microphone nito nung packet 4. Kai, what are you doing there?
Papa!
Why you have the strawberry there? Ang laki ng straw. Kaya pa? Sinisipon ka talaga, Kai. Sarap? Sarap yan. Careful, ha? Ito na talaga ang upo sa big chair. Oh, that's a Play-Doh. You can play with that. I don't lick the Play-Doh! Okay.
Mama!
No, this one? You want your yogurt? Go down. Kapag inom talaga siya, oh. Pro na pro. Ha? Ikaw na talaga ang pro na pro. Oh, yogurt, oh. Dali. Yogurt. Maganda yung weather. May init na malamig. Ay. Panganganga talaga siya. Sarap? Yeah? Anghang na yan siya, for sure. Ang anghang kaya nito, guys. Di ko nga inubos yung, ano nito, yung, oh, okay. Ah, mama. Thank you. Sinulo niya na yung aking bowl. Kay eat. No. Kay eat. Kay eat lang. Makakain ka ah. Parang hindi anghang ah. Drink your water if it's really hot. Okay. Iniyakan niya talaga to guys kasi gusto niya siya lang yung susubo. Oh, no. Gusto mo ikaw lang subo? Ay, nako. Okay. You understood? Is to this. Gosh, your ate is already. Ay, ewan ko na lang talaga. You know how old is your ate? Tignan niyo siya. Blow na! Like this! Oh, more! So good! Okay, ready? Wow! Dali. More. Alright, mami gusto ko i-sort out tong mga damit dito na pang bata. I-sort out the kids' clothes, okay? Try natin if mayroon tayong pagbibigyan. Yung mga maliliit. Ito ba yun? Parang ito yung kabila. Parang ito masisira na naman itong ating camera guys. Kasi meron tayong touch ng gimbal. Inaano niya talaga yung gimbal. Oh, be careful kasi maula ang.
This is as good a day as any to start the rebuilding of life. The roads that lay open are many when the old one's gone under the knife. And I can feel the sun on my skin.
Guys, kakababa ko lang. Tulog na si Kai. So, I will pick up Mia very soon. I just need to prepare the cupcakes. So, we have this pistachio cake dito sa maliit na container. So, ibibigay ko to sa teachers. Tatlo lang ata yung picture nila doon. Parang tatlo lang yung nandun. And then cupcake. Alright, so we have like 26 cupcakes in here, but I only need 22 sa school. So I have to take out 3. Kita nyo na to sa kahapon. So this is the cupcake. So pretty. Picturean ko muna sila. Ayan. So 22 yung dadalhin natin sa school. Di ko alam kung may absent, pero yeah, we can take it home naman kung may absent. Yay! Parang gusto ko kumain guys. Kain ko lang isa. Yung cake ni Mia, napakita ko na din sa inyo, diba? So, andito din, mamaya, we will sing happy birthday to her. Sakay ba yun? Nagising siya. Parang may umiiyak. My boy. Alright, so iwan ko si Kai sa kapatid ko. And ready na yung ating, hawakan ko na lang siya. Ang ating cupcakes here. And we will pick up Ate Mia soon. Let's go! Sagar! We need to top up 76 kilometers na lang. Kaya pa yan, guys. Lip tint tayo. Mukha tayong patay. So, yung nandito sa car ko, ito, yung Romand na Juicy Lasting Tint. Number 19, Almond Rose. Nahiya ako dalhin to, guys, kasi ang dami ng mga parents na naghihintay dun all the time. Sana nilagay ko pala sa maliit na lalagyan. Kasya naman siguro. So, ito yung talaga yung pinakahihintay na araw ni Mia. Super happy na siya kasi 6 na daw siya. So cute. Yeah, I'm finally 6 years old. After 6, 7. Oh my God. Yun na yung iniisip niya, guys. Magsi 7 na daw siya after 6. Sabi ko, kaka 6 mo lang. 7 na agad. So excited na siya mag 7. Ang sakit ng dede ko, guys. Nakagat ni Kai kanina, nanggigil siya nung pinapadede ko, tapos dumugo. Sakit tuloy. Tapos nakita ko, pag dede siya, may blood. So, he's drinking my blood. Ay, nako. Sakit ng dede ko. Kakaloka. Nag-top up lang pala ako ng fuel and bumili ako ng
Because if you work
Slurpee.
Hungry Jacks and you have me and Kai,
Sorry?
then I just have to look after Kai.
What was that?
If you still work in Hungry Jacks and you have Kai,
Sorry?
if you still work in Hungry Jacks,
Mm-hmm.
then if you have Kai and me, then I just have to look after Kai.
Oh, babe. No. Mommy's still single back then when I was working in Hungry Jacks. Ito naman, pagdating ko, iyak ng iyak. Hinahanap daw ako, guys. Cupcake! Ayan, kain tayo. Sarap! Tingnan nyo. Hala, sarap ng cupcake. Akin na lang tayo. May dalawa pa doon. Pwede naman si Mia kumain. Tsaka same flavor lang naman sila ng ng cake. Madami pa tayong cake, guys. 4 inch is yung in-order ko. So, pinabihis ko muna si Mia kasi mag-open daw siya ng kanyang present. So, I will vlog that. Tapos, upload ko na lang sa separate video kasi parang haba na yung vlog natin. Siya kumakain. Umuupo. Ah! Smile! Good boy! Smile! Parang same yung niya. Beautiful eyes! Oh, come na, dali na. Ate Mia wanna vlog. Come. Oh, give my phone. Oh! Hello? Who's there? Answer first. Answer first. Oh, answer first. Oh, hello? Who's that? Alarm ko yun guys kasi ito may swimming dapat. Pero hindi siya mag-swimming today. Kasi ano pa, masama pa yung pakiramdam. So, sabi ko, rest ka muna today. So, nung last, kailan ba yun? Thursday, hindi din siya pumasok kasi may nangyari sa sasakyan ko. Kasi dito, malapit sa bahay, yung neighbor namin, merong gumagawa, like, building the house. So, siguro, kakadaan ko dyan sa kanila, naapakan ng gulong ko yung screw. Super laki. Tapos, nasa side siya ng gulong ko. So, they have to replace my back, tires. And, ayun, di kami nakaabot sa swimming ni Mia that time. Ayan.
Can I try? I want to try both of them. You know, I can pull out the capsics now.
I have to...
Oh my gosh, mommy.
Look at Ate Mia, guys.
I can write it. Mommy? That's mommy, no.
Go, Mommy, help you.
Whoa.
I'll put this on.
How am I gonna do it?
Yeah, I'll help you.
Whoa.
Oh my gosh, how are you gonna get up then?
Oh, mommy.
Careful, careful. Oh my goodness. Okay.
Wait. Hey, stop. You have to hold me. See? Stop, hold me.
You have to do the shh, 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 like you're walking.
Stop, you have to hold me.
Yeah. You have to go start walking.
Wait,
Go.
stop.
Walk. Yeah. Walk. Walk.
Oh.
Yeah.
Woo.
Tingnan niyo siya. Kanina niya pa niya suot guys since nag-unbox tayo niyan.
Okay, I can do that.
And ito, gising na. Pinatulog ko din kanina, mga 4. Late na din na naman siya nagising, so good luck. Magsi-6 na eh. Hindi siya umiiyak. Tingnan niyo. Nakatingin lang siya sa paligid niya. Nag-ready na ako ng dinner. Bababa na siya ng bed. Ayun na, iyak na. Bababa na. Ang galing na niya bumaba eh. Nag-ready na ako ng dinner. O, i-ano ko lang to. I-air fry, guys. Oh! Come, Mama. Oh, go. Mama, sick. Don't cry. Ay, abo, grabe man yung tawangis. Oh. How was your sleep? Was kasi ate? Kasi ate? You know who's home? Jake is home. Jake is home. You know Jake? Where's Jake? Yeah. Tingnan niyo yung sipon na to. May sakit ang aking anak. Dalawa kayo ni Ate Mia, no? Where's Jake? Ang cute-cute na to. Mahaba na. Oh, ang sipon ako. Sige, pahin mo dyan ang sipon. Oh, what's that? May sakit ka. Oh, may sipon. Bongga talaga yung sipon nito guys. Tulo ng tulo. Medyo mainit din siya ng konti. Let's go down na. Sige, let's go down. You wanna vlog? Oh! What happened? Pinindot mo man. Magbablog ka. Don't touch the gimbal lang kay ma-break na. Oh, itsura. Oh. Oh. Oh, like this. Ano gusto? Ha? Oh, don't press. Oh, let's go down. Come. Let's go down. Okay, ako mama. Let's go. Wow. Wala pa talaga sa mano. Oh my God naman sa naglas ang kay-kay. Yasip unang sinipunan sa gani. Takuhan mo nga na. Ayan naman, gabi lang tulo.
You like it?
Ga-post lang na sila ma sa ila page. Tapos mambal sila diri ang pick up. Na.
Ito ba kasi tinapay mo?
Ito taga diin na sila. Ah,
Ano nga lahi?
Filipino ina.
Ay, Pilipino na da? Ay, pila rin. Ano pa yung baliya? Pagin.
Itong in-order ko kanila. Itong ipatilaw ko si mo.
Lukang niya naluto mo na.
Itong ipatilaw ko si mo bala. Hindi.
Open your gift. Where's your gift? Open na daw.
Na-open na daw niya.
Open mo na.
Did you open na? Open everything. I didn't see.
Ito siya ang kwan.
Ano?
Pang-adult na niya.
Kaya pwede na pang kids. Wala
Medyo
isang
mahaba-haba.
Here's left.
Hindi. Earring.
Ay, ganda siya.
Pwede na si Gaya. No, namin kanina may ang
Mahaba.
color.
Cute. May you wanna use this? What do you say to Dadelo, Mamila?
Thank you, Mommy. Thank you, Daddy.
You have new earrings. You wanna change your earrings? Okay. I will change later. Okay? Kakaalis kami na Papa guys. Nag-order kasi ako na.
Can you get him a tissue?
Mia, go get tissue, my love. Pinapick up ko kay Papa guys yung mga tinapay na in-order ko. Munti ko na makalimutan. So, BAC Bakehouse, pag nagpo-post sila sa page nila na may pick up malapit sa bahay, nag-order ako. So, binigyan ko na si na mama kanina. BAC Bakehouse. Try nyo to guys. Masarap yung mga ano nila. Saka hindi kalakihan. Tingnan nyo. Hindi kalakihan yung ensaymada. Perfect siya for snacking. So, yeah. Gusto din to ni Kaya ni Mia. So, I've got 2 Spanish bread sa isang pack. 6 na Spanish bread. Ayan. So, binili ko yung isang pack na mama. And we have the ensaymada na classic. Ito yung classic na ensaymada. Tapos ensaymada na pistachio. Ayan. Sarap to siya. So, yan lang yung in-order ko this time. So, nakalimutan ko kasi yung pick up 3 to 6 p.m. Tapos nag-message siya ng mga mag-5:30. Wala. Umalis na daw siya. Iniwan niya na lang dun sa may-ari ng bahay. So, pinapick up ko kay Papa kasi tulog si Kai, hindi ako makaalis kasi umalis din yung kapatid ko. Ayoko i-stop yung tulog niya kasi baka grumpy pag dinisturb ko. So, ayun. Si Papa na lang nag-pick up guys. Tapos brinap nila dito sa bahay and then they drop the present for ate. Wow! You have more clothes? Open natin. So, yung kanina, ano to? Earring. What? This one? Okay. Pakita lang ni Mami ang laman, okay? We have this. Ayan. Barbie na. Leggings. What size is this? Size 5. At parang ang haba. And then, a dress. Yay! So, labhan na to ni Mami. Happy birthday, Mia! Happy birthday to you! Happy birthday, dear Mia! Happy birthday to you! Hip hip!
Hooray!
Hip hip!
Hooray!
Not yet. We'll get the Okay, ready? Sing! Happy birthday to you! Happy birthday to you! Happy birthday, dear Mia. Happy birthday
Make a wish first.
What's your
Make a
wish,
wish.
my love? Yay!
I wish I had a play date with Elena and she had a sleepover with me.
Blow, Keke, blow! Yay!
Let's do it
Good
again,
job!
Let me do it again. Okay.
Oh, blow, Keke, blow.
Make another wish.
Blow. Oh, one more! One more! One more! One
Not
more!
too close.
Yay!
Hey! The saliva!
Blow, Keke. It's hot. Hot. Blow.
Oh no, look at.
Don't let him.
Why is there saliva now?
That's enough. Cut the cake.
No, it's gonna go
Cut
to
the cake.
fish
Did
then.
you cut the cake?
Let's go cut. Come on.
Hi, people. Today I'm gonna roller skate and I'm really good right now. We're roller skates. A bit more. Let's go a bit far. Mommy, can you post this on Instagram? Easy to learn. Okay, so how you learn, Mom, can I teach them? So how you learn is